Welcome to AI Snippets. Please feel free to jump to a timestamp to listen to the snippet of your choice. Also like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss important AI news. Arnold Schwarzenegger, renowned for his role in the Terminator series, asserts that the envisioned world of artificial intelligence portrayed in the films has now manifested in reality, evoking widespread concerns regarding its future implications.
What was so amazing about it, just to show you the brilliance of writing, that at that time we scratched the surface of AI, artificial intelligence. Think about that. We're talking here about in the early 80s. And today, everyone is frightened of it, of where this is going to go. And in this movie, in Terminator, we talk about the machines become self-aware and they take over. And so that is such a brilliant writing, and because now after all those decades, it has become a reality. So it's not anymore fantasy or kind of futuristic, it is here today.
Humane, an AI startup founded by former Apple designers, has unveiled a revolutionary product called the AI Pin, which is a compact projector designed to be attached to clothing with the goal of replacing smartphones. Since 2018, Humane has been attracting talent from Apple while keeping their product under wraps. The AI Pin is specifically designed to be clipped to a breast pocket and utilizes voice commands to provide email summaries, language translations, and calendar notifications. Equipped with a camera and advanced computer vision software, it is capable of recognizing objects such as food nutrition labels. One of its standout features is the ability to project an interactive interface onto nearby surfaces like the user's hand or a table. Humane is collaborating with Qualcomm to develop the internal hardware for this groundbreaking device. The AI Pin made its debut at the TED conference in April, creating a significant buzz among attendees. However, whether it can truly replace smartphones remains to be seen.
Sorry, this is my wife. I'm gonna have to get this. Hello?
Hey, babe.
Hey, Bethany. How's it going?
Good. Are you at TED?
Yeah, I'm on the red circle right now, actually.
Oh, great. Good luck, and don't forget to mention me.
Where can I find a gift for my wife before I have to leave tomorrow?
Vancouver's Granville Island is a lively shopping district.
That's an incredibly simple response for a very complex query. Let me show you something. Invisible devices should feel so natural to use that you almost forget about their existence.
Les appareils invisibles devraient sembler si naturels à utiliser. Vous oubliez presque leur existence.
You'll note that's me and my voice speaking fluent French, using an AI speech model that's part of my own AI. Imagine this. You've been in meetings all day and you just want a summary of what you've missed. Catch me up.
Patrick is coming to tomorrow's design meeting. Bethany wants to move next week's dinner, and Oliver is asking about soccer this weekend.
These are emails, calendar invites, and messages, all surfaced up to the top. You can use these to help guide your decision-making, manage your workload, and sculpt tailored responses in your own voice and in the context of your life. Can I eat this?
A milky bar contains cocoa butter. Given your intolerance, you may want to avoid it.
So I can't eat these anymore. I'm gonna eat it anyway.
Enjoy it.
The future will not be held in your hand, and it won't be on your face either. The future of technology might almost be invisible. Thank you.
Elon Musk and Twitter have implemented restrictions on the number of posts that non-paying users can view in response to data scraping conducted by AI companies. AI startups, including ChatGPT, have been collecting Twitter data without authorization, which has displeased Elon Musk. Under the new limitations, unverified accounts are now limited to a maximum of 600 posts per day, while newly created unverified accounts can view up to 300 posts. Verified accounts, on the other hand, have the privilege of accessing up to 6,000 posts. In the near future, the viewing limitations will be adjusted to allow verified users to see up to 8,000 tweets, unverified accounts to view 800 tweets, and new unverified accounts to have access to 400 tweets. This development holds significance as it appears that Elon Musk is taking proactive measures to prevent AI companies from illicitly acquiring valuable data. Alternatively, it could be interpreted as Elon's attempt to encourage Twitter users, especially trolls, to engage with the real world once again. Microsoft has initiated the release of early previews for their AI-powered personal assistant, called Copilot, for Windows 11. These previews are being made available exclusively to insiders in the dev channel. Here are the key details. In order to utilize Copilot, users must have Windows Build 23493 or a higher version in the dev channel, along with Microsoft Edge more recent iteration. Copilot empowers users to issue commands and allows the AI to automatically adjust settings or execute actions within the operating system. While it does not replace the search feature, Windows Copilot supersedes Cortana as the native personal assistant within the Windows ecosystem. This development carries significance as it underscores Microsoft's prominent position in the AI domain. After making a noteworthy comeback with Bing, Microsoft is now seamlessly integrating AI capabilities into their operating system. Scientists have created a cognitive tool named Cognospeak that simplifies the process of diagnosing dementia and Alzheimer's disease using artificial intelligence. In preliminary trials, this test demonstrated a remarkable accuracy rate of 90%. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to be instantly notified of regular updates. Thanks for watching.